Hi, my name's Catherine, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 good hip stretches which can also help alleviate any lower back pain or stiffness. This is because when we get tight hips, for example from too much sitting down, this can cause our lower back to have to compensate during actions such as lifting, bending and picking things from the floor, or doing actions such as gardening. Using your lower back instead of your hips can cause it to become inflamed, irritated and painful. Alex is going to help us demonstrate these 3 stretches. The first stretch aims to stretch the front of the hip. So Alex, if you can step forward into a lunge position for me. Push your right hip forwards and drop your back knee towards the floor. Now here you should already be feeling a good stretch in the front of the hip. If you feel it more in the thigh, or perhaps not at all, try to tilt your pelvis backwards slightly. To intensify this stretch, you can also reach your right hand up towards the ceiling and hold this for 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times, also doing this on the other side. Thank you. For the second stretch, you want to do this on a mat or on the floor. So Alex, if you can step forward with your left foot. And this stretches both hips at the same time. You want to place your hands either side of your front foot and then lift your back knee a few inches off the floor. The next stage is you want to drop your knee out towards the side. Here you want to pivot over your ankle, keeping your heel in contact with the floor at all times. To make sure that you feel the stretch in the right muscles, make sure that your pelvis is not tilted, and also drop your right hip towards the floor. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds. Repeat on the other side. Thank you. Now from this position, you can go straight into our third and final stretch. So here, Alex, if you can sit down back onto the mat. Now here, it's quite key to have your knees at 90 degrees on both legs. You should already feel quite an intense stretch. If you do not, you can try and sit up a little straighter. If you even want to intensify the stretch further, you can then twist to your right and then twist to your left. You can repeat those twists 20 times, or you can hold this stretch for 30 seconds. Repeat on the other side as with the others. Now these stretches are quite advanced and intense stretches, so please, if you feel any discomfort during these, please stop and consult a healthcare professional. We really hope these stretches help with any hip stiffness or lower back pain you are having. My name's Catherine, thanks for watching.